or meditative practices versus contemplative thinking. So the common point, obviously, is it starts with a pause, and there is also a curiosity of wanting to stay with the experience as opposed to analyzing it or as opposed to putting snap judgments on it. But a big difference is that in a meditative practice, we tend to simply stay with the experience. And in a contemplative thinking practice, we actually take the pause as an opportunity to further explore something, a topic, a situation, feelings, connection between people. So we're going to be driven by that same curiosity toward inner experience. But in contemplative thinking, we're going to be more actively going to that sense of how, what the meaning is, what our reaction to it is, what the feelings are, how the situation might evolve as we look at it more with curiosity and try to put a handle on it. So we're going to do something more than just a curiosity of observing, but we're going to actively try and hang on a meaning to what we observe. Not an arbitrary meaning. We let it come from inside. We get some kind of a bodily felt sense of what it might mean, or an idea just comes up as we stay. We stay basically contemplating the situation until something comes up, and a little something comes up and say, oh, could it be that? And we let ourselves voice and receive the question, could it be that? And then listen to the response inside. And it might be, yeah, that's it. It might be, yeah, but, yeah, not quite, but something there. And so we stay with it. Okay? We're not forcing it. We're not force feeding it. We're not, analyzing it. We're simply staying with it, letting for something more to come up. And then a little something more comes up. Is it that something with that? Oh, yeah, that's much closer. Yeah. Okay, so again, that's that process of staying with, but then bringing in, receiving that meaning and checking what the resonance is, whether it feels right or it doesn't. And that's more of the contemplative thinking, which in meditation, in meditative practices, we tend not to go there, but simply to stay with, as opposed to push further along.